നമസ്കാരം. കേരള PSC സിവിൽ എഞ്ചിനീയറിംഗിൻ്റെ ഇൻഫർമേറ്റീവായ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയിലേക്ക് എല്ലാവർക്കും സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യാൻ പോകുന്നത് ഒരു പ്രീവിയസ് ഇയർ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ്. ലെക്ചറർ ഇൻ ആർക്കിടെക്ചർ, കാറ്റഗറി നമ്പർ 327/2017. ടെക്നിക്കൽ ഡിപ്പാർട്ട്മെൻറ്റിൽ നിന്നാണ് വേക്കൻസി റിപ്പോർട്ട് ചെയ്തിരുന്നത്. 30/10/2018 ഈ എക്സാം നടന്നത്. ആൽഫ കോഡ് A ആയിട്ടുള്ള ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറാണ് നമ്മൾ ഡിസ്കസ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. അപ്പോൾ നേരെ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ പേപ്പറിലേക്ക് പോകാം. Question 21. An RLC series circuit has a resistance R of 20 ohm and a current which lags behind the applied voltage by 45 degree. If the voltage across the inductor is twice the voltage across capacitor, what is the value of inductive reactance? Correct answer option C, 40 ohm. Question 22. Three circuits I1, I2, I3 are approaching a node if I1 equal to 10 sin 400t plus 60 degree A and I2 equal to 10 sin 400t minus 60 degree A, then I3 equal to, correct answer option C, minus 10 sin 400t A. Question 23. A water boiler at home is switched on to the AC mains supplying power at 230 voltage per 50 Hz. The frequency of instantaneous power consumed by the boiler is, correct answer option D, 100 Hz. Question 24. Which of the following statement with magnetic field is correct? Correct answer option A. The electric current always produces the magnetic field. Question 25. When a pure resistor R equal to 100 ohm has an applied voltage V equal to 200 sin 314t, the average power in the 100 ohm resistor is, correct answer option B, 200 watt. Question 26. The red color of brick is due to, correct answer option A, iron oxide. Question 27. Purest form of iron is, correct answer option D, wrought iron. Question 28. Shape of combined footing to support two unequal column is, correct answer option D, trapezoid. Question 29. Largest chain line passing through the center of area is known as, correct answer option C, baseline. Question 30. The sensitivity of a bubble tube can be increased by, correct answer option B, increasing diameter of the tube. Question 31. Specific gravity of petrol is approximately, correct answer option B, 0.74. Question 32. Flywheel of 2-stroke engine when combined with that of 4-stroke engine will be, correct answer option A, lighter. Question 33. Which among the following is placed between engine and gearbox? Correct answer option C, clutch. Question 34. Purpose of cooling tower in steam power plant is to, correct answer option D, reduce temperature of cooling water used in the condenser. Question 35. A fast breeder reactor uses following as moderator. Correct answer option D, no moderator used. Question 36. Which of the following statements are true in the case of online UPS? Correct answer option C, 2 and 4. Question 37. Which of the following statements are true for 3G? Correct answer option B, 2, 3 and 4. Question 38. Most preferred architecture for a microcontroller is, correct answer option B, Harvard architecture. Question 39. Which of the following statements are true with regard to full wave bridge rectifier? Correct answer option D, 1 and 3. Question 40. Average output voltage of a full wave bridge rectifier without filter for an input voltage of 10 volt RMS is, correct answer option A, 9 volt. Question 41. The high strength reinforcement bars having a tough outer core and a soft inner core called, correct answer option B, TMD bars. Question 42. The RCC slab supported on all 4 sides by beam are, correct answer option A, two-way slab. Question 43. The reinforcement provided to the column in order to prevent the buckling of bars are called, correct answer option B, transverse reinforcement. Question 44. The minimum thickness of concrete cover for main reinforcement bar shall not be less than Correct answer option A 25 mm. Question 45. The Greek symbol tau suggesting tangential is used to denote. Correct answer option A shear stress. Question 46. Assumptions in theory of symbol bending do not consider. Correct answer option D flexure. Question 47. A line or plane through a beam or plate connecting points at which no extension or compression occurs when it is bent. Correct answer option A neutral axis. Question 48. Dash has higher moment resisting capacity. Correct answer option C fixed beam. Question 49. In a column, when the ratio of effective length to least lateral dimension does not exceed tall, it is called. Correct answer option B short column. Question 50. The eccentricity of a circle is. Correct answer option C 0. Question 51. The mixed ratio of M15 grade concrete is. Correct answer option B 1:2:4. Question 52. Hot treated reinforcement bars are also called. Correct answer option D TMD bars. Question 53. Which of these is not a sedimentary rock? Correct answer option C granite. Question 54. The brick masonry that has alternating courses of stretches and headers are called. Correct answer option B English bond. Question 55. The common resin used in waterborne paint is. Correct answer option C arsenic emulsion polymers. Question 56. The bearing capacity of a soil with added factor of safety is called. Question cancelled. Question 57. The windows provided on the roof are called. Correct answer option D skylight windows. Question 58. Tudor arch is a. Correct answer option D four-centered arch. Question 59. The staircase commonly used for emergency exit. Correct answer option A dog-legged staircase. Question 60. The portion of the hostway of lift that extend below the level of bottom landing is called. Correct answer option C lift pit. Question 61. The slope of the pedestrian ramp as specified in the KMBR. Correct answer option B 1:10. Question 62. The water requirement per head per day for residential building recommended by Indian standards. Correct answer option A 135 liters. Question 63. Flutter echo is caused due to. Correct answer option B reflective and parallel surfaces. Question 64. The section 2 of volume 1 of the Kerala PWD schedule of rates deals with. Correct answer option D rates of materials. Question 65. The principle of chain surveying is based on the method of. Correct answer option C triangulation. Question 66. An alidade is used to establish or measure. Correct answer option A line of sight. Question 67. The process of turning the telescope of the theodolite about its horizontal axis through 180 degree in the vertical plane is called. Correct answer option D transiting. Question 68. The data model in GIS that represents the world as a surface divided into regular grid of cells. Correct answer option A raster model. Question 69. The effective temperature does not take into consideration the effect of. Correct answer option B radiant heat. Question 70. The generic term used for cold wind that flow down the hills into the valleys. Correct answer option C katabatic wind. Question 71. Identify the city located in composite climatic zone. Correct answer option A Delhi. Question 72. The Coriolis force is maximum at the. Correct answer option C poles. Question 73. The radius of neighborhood unit proposed by Clarence Perry is. Correct answer option A 1/4 mile. Question 74. Which scheme along these is not a slum improvement scheme? Correct answer option D Aspire. Question 75. The term used by Bureau of Indian Standards for the discharge from wash basins, sinks and similar appliances which does not contain human excreta is. Correct answer option A sullage. Question 76. The unit of exit width as stipulated in Part 4 of NBC for fire safety is? Correct answer option B 500 mm. Question 77. The earliest of the structural temple among these is? Correct answer option D Shore Temple. Question 78. The quote "less is a bore" is attributed to this architect. Correct answer option B Robert Venturi. Question 79. The first cast iron bridge in the world is? Correct answer option D Coalbrookdale Bridge. Question 80. The architect of Casamila, Spain is? Correct answer option C Antonio Gaudi. Question 81. The Buddhist prayer hall is called? Correct answer option A Chaitya Hall. Question 82. The public area in Roman cities are called? Correct answer option C Forum. Question 83. The performance hall seen in the temple of Kerala are called? Correct answer option C Kuthambalam. Question 84. The management tool PERT has dash approach to the time estimate. Correct answer option B probabilistic. Question 85. In project management, this schedule is used for repetitive projects. Correct answer option A LSM. Question 86. Parthenon was a? Correct answer option D temple. Question 87. The Dutch based architectural movement which mean this style? Correct answer option D D Stig. Question 88. The architect of Asian Games Village Delhi is? Correct answer option C Raj Raval. Question 89. Which tree among these is not used for revenue planting? Correct answer option A coconut palm. Question 90. The plant Laura coccinea is commonly called? Correct answer option C jungle flame. Question 91. The method of plant propagation in which a portion of an aerial stem grows roots while still attached to the parent plant and later disattached as an independent plant. Correct answer option A layering. Question 92. The miniature garden set up inside a glass container is called? Correct answer option D terrarium. Question 93. Which among these is not considered as an element of interior design? Correct answer option B view. Question 94. The minimum slope of the ramp for wheelchair movement according to CPWD guidelines is? Correct answer option B 1:12. Question 95. Identify the cool color among these. Correct answer option C violet. Question 96. In illumination, lumen per square meters is also expressed as? Correct answer option A lux. Question 97. KMBR stipulates that in the application for building permit, the site plan shall be provided in a scale not less than? Correct answer option C 1:400. Question 98. The coverage for commercial buildings according to KMBR is? Correct answer option D 65. Question 90. Identify the secondary color among the following colors. Question cancelled. Question 100. The special type of trap provided at the junction of house drain with the septic tank or public sewer is called? Correct answer option A intercepting trap.